So we got our Yamaha Raptor 80 here, ready to do its oil change. We got this piece of wood under, like what we used in the chains versus treads video, just so that we could fit our oil pan here. And so we'll slide the pan under and we'll take the oil out of it by unscrewing the nut. Yep.
Alright, so now I'm gonna loosen it until it's finger tight. You scooch that under there, push the pan, and you finger tighten it off.
Finger untighten it.
You finger loosen it.
Sure not to drop the nut.
Exactly. And then you slowly do it until it all starts coming out.
17 millimeter, and it takes 0.85 quarts, and we always write that on there so we don't need to go digging inside the booklet every time we do an oil change.
We're gonna put the cap back on.
Pretty good. And then now you put your oil in. So first we're gonna wipe the top of the cap clean and around the side so that dirt doesn't get into the engine. Because if dirt gets into the engine, you won't have clean oil in there. So you take it off. And you kind of shake it around. And you take your paper towel and you clean the dipstick off. So now we're actually gonna get in there, make sure everything's lined up. Okay, that's on, that's in there. So now we pour. Super carefully. Doesn't hurt to slow down for a little bit and then keep pouring. Start it up. Then
Make sure you got the right amount.
Yep, we got the right amount, so let's put it back in there, screw it back in, and now we're good to go.